How to apply for Credit One credit card online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to creditonebank.com. Here on the sign in portal, enter your username, then enter your password and click on the secure sign in option. If you have forgotten your username, click on this link. Click on the link of forgot password if you have forgotten your password. To create a new account, you can click on Set up online account access. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the option of credit cards. Then over here, you're going to find out different credit card options offered by this bank. You want to review the features, benefits, and terms of each card to determine which one fits your needs and financial situation. Click on the option of See if you qualify to see if you meet all the eligibility. Here you will have to enter all the information such as your first name, middle name, last name, mailing address, city, state, zip code, email address, then enter your social security number. After that, you will have to enter your date of birth. Then click on the option of See Card Offers. Then you're going to find out all the offers which you are eligible for. Then you can click on the option of Apply Now in order to apply for that credit card. You will be then directed to an online application form where you will have to enter your personal information. Once you have entered all the details, carefully review the terms and conditions associated with the credit card you are applying for. Then you want to click on the Submit button. After submitting your application, Credit One Bank will review your application and credit history. After submitting your application, Credit One Bank will review your application and credit history. This process may take a few moments or few days. Then you will receive a decision on your credit card application via email or mail. If approved, you will receive your credit card in mail within a few business days. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.